Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga bagong kong videos. And for today's video, may dumating na Lazada package ngayon. So we will do unboxing kung anong laman nito. So, let's go! And guys, kakarating lang ng Lazada package ngayon. So, buksan na natin kung anong laman. Ayan. Nahihirapan ako magunting. Oops, nakikita ko na ang laman niya. Oh! Tchan-tcharan! It's a bag. It's a men's bag. Champion. It's a men's bag, body bag. It's a men's body bag. And guys, men's body bag. And next is, oh my god, it's so very cute. It's so very cute. Mini pack bag. Cute, very cute. It's cute. 2 compartment lang siya. Ayan. Here. Thank you, Lazada. Next is a sling bag. Next is a sling bag na kulay red. Sling bag na kulay red. So, buksan na natin. Ayan. May 3 compartment siya. Ayan. Pwede rin siyang body bag. Yes. Ayan guys. Thank you so much Lazada, and thank you so much Intrigo for delivering the bags. And so guys, ayan. So hanggang dito na lang guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa video ko. So tatapusin ko na to kasi may nagsisenso dito tsaka nag-grass cutter. Sobrang maingay. So hope you like my video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga bagong videos ko. Kamsahamnida! Annyeong!